Hi guys, this is Imba Trader, and today I'm going to show the strategy how to make money by participating in binary options tournaments. So what I like about them is that in order to make money, you need to be either in top 15 or top 30 traders in that tournament, and in this case the participation cost is really low, $2. But the minimum requirement to get profit is to get to top 15. So it took me several hours within a couple days to record all the trades. So I'm going to speed up the moments where I watch the market or wait for the trade expiration. So our first stake won, we made 344 out of 200. I spent only $4 to get that initial tournament deposit. And by the way, for those who think that binary options is not the place where you can earn money, this is my latest payout that I received from the broker. As you can see, these are all 50. So just think yourself how to proceed or not. So I'm going to raise my stake to 344 and continue. Let's see how it works out. So as I mentioned earlier, the original video is more than 2 hours long. That's why I edited it and speed up the boring part. So I still hope that you're gonna enjoy it. So the profits in these tournaments are pretty low, around $1,000 for the first place, but the cost of participation is low as well, only $2. So there are some of them where you pay $20 for the participation, but the price is also high, like $10,000 for the $10,000 for the first place and $1,000 for the 30th. Alright, so we lost this stake and need to start from the beginning. I'm gonna pay another $2 to get 100 of the tournament dollars, and we'll pay another $2 to get 100 more right away, so I'll double my initial deposit. By the way, they allow to do it only once, otherwise it would be, of course, it would be great to have the higher initial deposit. I see some big spike here that is continuing. So there is a breach of the Bollinger Band. Stochastic indicator shows oversold conditions, and I think it should be a good moment to proceed with the put stake. Yes, probably this is what I'm gonna do, and hope it's gonna work out well for us. Let's see, and I'm gonna fast forward. Alright, my prediction was true, and I'm going to watch the market for another opportunity, and I'm going to speed up the video so you don't watch all this boring part, and I'm gonna get it back only once the interesting moment comes. So this looks like a good chance to win a call stake. There is a breach of the lower Bollinger Band and the big burst that's happening right away. I'll go all in for the call stake and see how it works. Unfortunately, I had to give it a little bit more time. In this case, you wait to check if it continues the downwards movement and make a 2-minute stake instead of 1-minute one. So it's just for the future reference. So I'm going to start from the beginning once again, invest in another $4 and proceeding with the 202 minutes call stake, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope it's gonna work out this time better than the previous one. Let's see. Alright, this is a win, apparently, and at the last moment the price went so sharply down, so we were lucky it ended just a second ago. I'll speed it up in a bit. Alright, this looks like another good opportunity. The price was going straight up for some time and needs to change its direction eventually. I'm pretty confident in that. I'll proceed with the 3 minutes put stake. Three, two, and 1, and looks like our prediction was true. So I'm gonna continue looking for another great setup that's gonna bring us tons of money, ladies and gentlemen. I do see some big downwards movement happening right away, and in this case I won't wait for the reversal, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna follow this micro trend and we'll go all in for the price drop. Another win. Let's search for a new good opportunity, and hopefully I won't have to risk the whole deposit in my future stakes. There is one trick I use when I'm not completely sure about the trade. I go for a $1 stake to check it, and this is exactly what I'm gonna do now and see if my idea works out. Alright, perfect. So our test trade won. Of course I wish I invested more in it, but I'm going to pause here and I will continue a bit later, ladies and gentlemen. See ya. Alright, starting my new trading sessions, and just like I did before, going for the $1 trades is a nice opportunity to get more experienced and to check your strategy. It really helps me to check some trade setups and stay with my money at the same time. So I usually start my trading day with such test trades before I go for the bigger ones. So that's why I'm gonna do the same one right now. $1 test trades for 5 minutes, and I'll see if it's gonna work out or not. Alright, this looks like a great setup for the real trade. So since we might multiplied our initial deposit by 5 already, I follow a more cautious way and will proceed with the $500 stakes. Looks like both of my trades won, the test trade and the real trade. Right now I'm at the 1400 level and on the 25th position, and I need to get to top 15 in order to be profitable in this tournament. So this is where you don't want to lose all your deposit and start from the beginning, because it's gonna be too much work to do. That's why I'll be more cautious with my decisions. This is the way you need to follow in your real life trading. Don't overtrade, and try to stick to trades which are not more than 5% of your deposit. This way you will be profitable in a long term. And this is okay, this looks like some nice setup. I'm gonna proceed with the 2 minutes put stake for the direction change, since the price went really high up. And yeah, I do think that it's gonna work out, and hopefully it does. Of course, it's not 5% of my deposit, but this is the tournament account, and I invested only $4 in this trade. That's why I'm gonna risk only the amount that is less than $2. $616 profit, and I am at the $2,000 level. This is a questionable setup, and I'll probably go with only $1 test trade and see. Another $1 test trade to check if it works out. And even one more $1 trade. I'm gonna see if my strategy works or it doesn't. So 2 out of 3 trades lost. That's why they were questionable, and that's why I didn't put some big amounts towards them. So all my tests just confirmed. So this is it. And my third trade lost as well, so good job not trading them in full. Really good job, ladies and gentlemen. I saved my ass. So this looks like some really nice setup. That's why I'm going to proceed with the $500 stake. This was a really good prediction, another victory, and we are at 2400 level and at the 14th place in the tournament. It means that we are already in the positive profit. So money wise, it's not much, only $75, but we invested only $6, and this is more than 1000% profit. So I'm going to pause here and continue later. Bye. So this looks like an amazing setup which you simply can't miss. The stochastic indicator shows the oversold conditions, CCI shows the trend is going to end shortly, and Bollinger Bands indicates that it is breached for the third time. So I'm going for a 4 minutes call stake, and I'm not even going to feel guilty to go all in here. So let's see if it works out, ladies and gentlemen. I put all my money towards it, so this should be a victory. So my forecast was true. We raised the bar to the 4300 level. Great job. And I'm going to pause for a while, and I will get back in a couple hours, guys. I will see you in a bit. I turned on my computer and I noticed this really nice setup, and I started the video recording right away. It looks really great. 500 for 3 minutes. Stochastic indicates the oversold condition. CCI shows the trend changes the direction, so we should be good here. Another victory. We won $400 and we are at the 10th position out of winning top 15. So I'm gonna pause again and I will get back to trading in a bit, maybe a couple hours. Okay, this looks like another great setup. I do have 2 indicators confirming it, and I'm gonna proceed with not big, not small, but $1,000 put stake, and I hope it's gonna bring me a victory. Perfect. This looks like another victory, and we are at the 5600 level. I'm going to fast forward and we'll look for another great opportunity to win. I'm gonna put another $1,000 for the price drop for 2 minutes, and let's see how it goes. I do have big hopes for this. Okay, this didn't quite work out as expected, so I'm gonna apply the martingale strategy and I will multiply my stake by 2 and proceed with the $2,000 put stake. So in this case, if I win, I'm gonna return the money that I lost in the previous stake, and I'm gonna even make some profit on top of that. So let's see. This is a victory. So we returned the money that were lost in the previous stake and even made some additional $700 profit. How about that? Okay, this looks like a decent direction change. So I'm gonna follow this micro trend and I will put $1,000 towards the price drop. Alright, this is perfect. Another win. I'm at the 7,100 level and at the 8th position of the binary options tournament. So the 8th place means that I made $281 profit and I invested only $6. It is the cost of 1 meal or 3 cups of coffee depending on where you live, so I think it's definitely worth trying. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and try demo trading. I will see you later. Bye guys.